Hello, students. Today we are going to study Chapter 8, The Relationship of Love. Today we are going to study about family. So, here, students, a family is a group of people who live together and are related to each other. So every member of family, they takes care of each other, share things like joy, happiness, sadness, and they show love to each other, cooperate with each other. So all these makes a family. So family, it may be a big or small family. So in a big family you can see like grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, siblings and cousins. So all these members, it make a big family. And next one is that a small family. So in a small family, parents and siblings will there. Okay. So now you can think which family you belong to, whether you belong to a big family or a small family. So, whatever the family may be, whether it's a big family or a small family, so in a family, you can see there will be a loving father, then your affectionate mother will be there, and loving siblings will be there, and even other members also will be there in family, isn't it? So each one, they used to share their love, joy, sadness, everything with each other. And if some problem arises in the family, then everyone, they used to stand together. Okay. And in the joy time or in the happiness, they used to celebrate the good times together in the family. So next we can see some of the basic features of a family. So it is said that family is like a pre-nursery school. So your students, in pre-nursery school, what do? You learn so many things, isn't it? So like that, in a family also, we learn so many things from each and every members. So it is full of joy in the family, and you can see unconditional love will be there. And family is like a protective shield. Protective shield means in the time of any problem, crisis and all, it protects the members. Okay, means everyone will support each other and try to solve their problems. Then in a family, equality is cherished. Then you can see in a family, even all the members, they sit together for prayer also, isn't it? So these are some of the basic features of a family. So now we'll see one small story about a loving family. Okay, so how the family bonding is done in India, especially. So it's a story time. So the story is about a caring son. So once there lived a family called Agarwal's family. So they had members like Mr. and Mrs. Agarwal. They had their daughter and even son. So you can see this is a small family, isn't it? Father, mother, then daughter and son is there. So this is a small family here. So Mr. Agarwal, he earned good money. So their lifestyle was also good. And they used to go out for dinner at the weekends. Okay. So even the parents, they used to spend their time with their children. So parents, they started to become old and children, they started to grow up now. So Mr. Agarwal's daughter, she completed her education and even she got married also. And after few years, Mr. Agarwal's son also, he completed his studies and he got a good job. And when he received his first salary, what he did, he took that salary and gave to his father, that is Mr. Agarwal. So, father, he felt very happy that his son has received a first salary. So, son, he will tell to his parents that he wanted to take them for dinner. So, when they were children, their parents used to take them for a dinner. So, now, son, he wants to take his parents for dinner now. So Mr. Agarwal, he will reply to his son saying that he is not able to come for the dinner as he has become very old and his hands were shivering. But his son will not listen to that. He wants to take his parents for dinner. So somehow he will help his parents to sit inside the car and he will take them to a best restaurant, and he will help his father to sit on a table and he gives order for dinner. So as food comes on the table, Mr. Agarwal, he will heat his food very slowly, and as his hands were shivering, some of things he will drop on his shirt. So other people, those who were sitting around them, they started laughing at Mr. Agarwal. But his son, Mr. Agarwal's son, did not felt embrace on it. Instead, what he did, he took a handkerchief from his pocket and he wiped Mr. Agarwal's cloth. And after that, he paid payment and they started to come out from the restaurant. So as they were coming out of the restaurant, one of the person, he called Mr. Agarwal's son and told him that you have left something over there. So he turned and he said, "No, sir, I have not left anything there." Then he said, "Yes, my child, you have left a lesson to those people who were laughing at your parents." So he also becomes very silent here. So that foreigner, he will tell that you have taught a lesson to those youngsters and you have given a hope for all the parents. So hearing this, those who were laughing, they all became silent, and that old man, he walked towards Mr. Agarwal's son and said, "I had heard about the rich family bonding of the Indian culture, but I have seen it today for the first time." Because in foreign countries, usually the children, as they get a job, they used to go and live a separate life. They don't have that bonding relation with their parents, whereas in India you can see that we have good bonding with our children as well as parents has got good bonding with children, and same love children, when they grow up, they show towards their parents. So here that foreigner, he will appreciate Mr. Agarwal's son, and Mr. Agarwal, he will say that I think you are one of the luckiest person on the earth. And Mr. Agarwal, he will smile and he will patter his son's back with affection. Okay, so students, you can see here, by listening to this story, you can see that family is like a music. Okay, so some high notes will be there, some low notes will be there. That is, in a family, each and every members may not be of same characters, isn't it? Some may be very loving nature they have, some may be very harsh nature, isn't it? Everyone are not equal, but all the family members, it makes like a beautiful song, isn't it? So if somebody goes out for a many days, we miss them, isn't it? So that is affectionate towards each other. So, children, I hope you have understood this chapter, that is the relationship of love, and I hope everyone should have same love towards each other. Okay? So, thank you, children. Have a nice day.